Ambunu is an ancient African hair growth secret, and not only does it help detangle your hair, it can be used to cleanse your hair, so you can use it as an alternative to your shampoos. On top of that, it can actually be used to strengthen your hair and also to help fight dandruff and itching. So the last method is the Ambunu gel, and for that all you need is 1 cup of boiling water and half a cup of the Ambunu leaves. So this one is 50-50, 50% water and 50% the leaves. And same thing, you want to mix that all up and let it sit for about an hour. After an hour, you will notice that your mixture is very thick, and to extract the gel, all we need to do is strain the leaves through some pantyhose. Once again, you want to try and squeeze as much liquid as possible, just to get the most out of your mixture before you use it. Next, we're going to try out the gel, and straight up, guys, the gel is thick and really gooey and easy to apply, and it just feels good on my hair. I have to say, this one is looking good so far. It lathers much better than the water, so yeah, I'm liking this one already. The curls are popping and the detangling is much more, what can I say, easier and more pleasant, because there's a lot of slip, and I think a huge part is because it's thicker. It's much thicker than the water, so I'm loving this one so far, but let's see what happens. So I let my hair sit under a plastic cup for about an hour, and then I went ahead and rinsed everything out and came up here to show you guys my results. The gel also provided really good cleansing properties, and also the hair is soft. I noticed that there's much more definition with the gel. As you can see at the ends of the hair, my hair looks pretty curly, the scalp is clean, and it's not stripped whatsoever. So there's a good result from the gel as well. So for me, the winner is definitely the gel. It was gooey, it was really luxurious and moisturizing to my hair. It provided me with the best sleep of all three, and I absolutely love how it detangled my hair. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Bye.